Hey y'all, what's up YouTube? It's your big dog Bruno, aka Ghetneck. And today we're doing a food review. I got Chick-Fil-A from my sister. And I will show you just how good it is. Now first off, we're gonna show off the sauce. This is what's left of it. And then I got my sandwich out here. As you can see, I already took a little bite out of it. But this is the sandwich. And these are the fries. Waffle fries. What's left of them. Now on this channel, we do things a little bit differently. Food's a little bit ghetto because we already ate some of it. But we're going to show y'all just how good it is. So first I got to take these gold teeth out. And then we got waffle fry. Dip that in ketchup. See, that is good. That's why Chick-fil-A is successful, except on Sunday. But here we got sandwich. Gonna take a little bite. That's good. That's good. And then we got our drink. Coca-Cola. Alright, that's good. Alright. So, as you can see, I just ate some food for y'all. And that's how I make money. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, peace out. See y'all in the next video.